everybody, this is Katie. I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to what you need to be working on this week. So if you go into the assignments folder, what we're doing this week is Unit 0. Now, as we get familiar with this course and look at everything, I just want to point out typically I teach different sessions of this course, Network Plus. So I have an online course, and then I also have a face-to-face course. All the material that I put out there for the courses are pretty much the same. But when you are looking at the calendar of due dates, the online courses, their due date is Tuesday nights, and the face-to-face course, our due dates are Thursday night. So there is a difference because we do meet in class. I wanted to give you an additional day from when we last met, but everything as far as work-wise is the same. Unfortunately for the online students, some of the labs that we get to do in class are hands-on and just not feasible unless you have a switch laying around or wires or things like that. I'll throw the assignments out there if you want to check them out, but face-to-face course we have a little bit more hands-on opportunities. So here is our schedule. Now we're in week 1, so this is for the fall semester, but if you're in my winter and my summer class next year in 2016, the dates will be different, but our schedule's the same because we have a whole new class that I'll be using for the next year. Plus the Net Plus certification is brand new this year, so we're not expecting a change in that. So I'll go through this real quick. We're going to cover this week Unit 0. This is the video for that. You can use this option, Mark Reviewed, if you want. But in here is just getting prepared for the course. So I have a video that kind of explains how all of my classes are laid out. You'll want to watch that because it explains the syllabus and required material and things like that. A course tour is here. There's an extra credit assignment in here, so go and click on that. That only lasts for a few days, so make sure you do that right away so you get some extra credit points. First things first, right here, if you're not familiar with Blackboard, especially if you're an online student and you've never taken an online course before, go to this website right here, the online learning page, and go through some of these activities because it teaches you how to succeed in an online class. If you're taking CLS 100, the Intro to College course, I think they have you do this anyway. So do that if you're not familiar with Blackboard. Okay, here are the 3 assignments for Unit 0. These are due in 1 week, so make sure, again, check your schedule. It'll either be the Tuesday night or Thursday night, depending on if you're online or face-to-face. I should mention real quick on the calendar, when you look at the Google Calendar, because I had an email from someone this semester already, if you import this calendar into your Google Calendar, I have all of my classes out there. So here is the online. It says CIS 233 online, and then here's the CIS Wednesday face-to-face assignment. So Tuesday online, Thursday face-to-face, and that's for fall. In the winter it'll probably be Tuesday and Thursday as well because our schedule shouldn't change. In the summer, I'm not sure, so summer 2016 people, you'll have to look at the schedule that is there. Okay. Okay, back to our assignment. So Unit 0, this is the Getting to Know You discussion board, and when you go out here, some of you have already started that. You can click on that and it goes out to the discussion board. I just want to know a little bit about you and your networking experience. There's some students who have already responded. It's good to kind of build a networking community because we do, it's a big city, but there's this group of people, people in the network industry, they know each other and we lean on each other for jobs and resources and contacts and things like that. So if you don't know people in the industry, this is a great way to start to know people. So we're going to do that with both this discussion board and the networking community assignment here. This can be done online, or if you're in the face-to-face class, face-to-face. So discussion board is worth some points. And then here's another assignment. I want you to do some research about network user groups in Grand Rapids and West Michigan, assuming that you are in this area. And if you're in class, start dialoguing with people, or if you're online, share with us what you know. So there is, here's some sites that I shared with you right now. You probably know more, hopefully, or you have some ideas. I do, like Lady Geeks at Grand Rapids. We have a networking group. We don't meet very often right now, but we have a website, and we try to get together and just share information about the technology industry. Davenport has a really good group, a user group of networking people, and also women in technology as well. Those are just a few of the women in technology groups that I know, because I'm a woman and kind of pay more attention to that. But they also invite men to those groups as well. And then here's some West Michigan Cisco user group. That's a great group. They meet in Davenport, I think, every one. I don't know, it's on a Wednesday night, but I don't know if it's the second or the third Wednesday of the month. Barcamp GR, this was started with the help of one of our former students, probably from, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. It's a cool group of people that get together and network. And then this is just from Conga. westmichigan.org is a list of all of the organizations in the area. So check out some of those. When you click on the assignment in the submission box, you just click on the button that says Write Submission, and I just want you to list what you know, maybe talk about some of the things that you might want to get involved with, and then submit that for points. And then we have a quick quiz down here. So first week, easy. Shouldn't take very long to do. If you're in my face-to-face class, we'll probably have a little bit of extra time, but you can always work ahead. The next assignment is Unit 1, and I'll make another video for that. I do have this one posted already, so you can start working on that if you want. I don't have it completed yet, but you can work ahead if you want on that. And the other thing in our assignments folder that you'll see so far is the Transcender assignment folder. And as you go and purchase your book this week, your textbook, we will be using Transcender, and this is an online tool that is test prep for the Network Plus certification. So I want you to keep checking back on this folder, and then as we go on into the chapter, when I have an assignment that references Transcender, it'll shoot you back to here. So I'm going to leave that at the top of our assignments folder right now. I think that's it. I hope you have a good week. I'll try to make a video every week of what to do, just a quick 10-minute video, but again, check the due date for Unit 0 and have fun doing that. Under 10 minutes.